Hey guys, I'm just giving you an update. You might be wondering why I haven't gotten project number 2 graded or um, the comparison of 5 sculpture quiz, the David quiz, the one where you read the article and took the quiz on the David sculptures. I haven't gotten those done because I had surgery last weekend and I didn't realize I was going to be down for as long as I was down for. I thought it was going to be a couple of days and then I was going to be up and at 'em, and I'm just now getting to where I can, be up and at 'em and leaving the house and stuff. So this is the first time I've been in my office for a while, and this is usually where I do my grading. So I'm going to grade those soon, today probably, but I want to let you guys know, I want to reiterate with the quizzes, the chapter quizzes, and actually a lot of the other quizzes for this in this course. You can still do all of these. I didn't shut any of them down. They automatically grade. So the chapter 1 through basically 18 quizzes that we did for the chapters, and then the culture show, Chinese painting quiz, gold quiz, and even this, there's one on the quiz on David, a comparison of 5 sculptures. This one might be a little bit more tricky because I have to actually go in and grade this. So if you don't get this done soon, probably today, that's probably not gonna, you'll at least get partial credit. Whatever automatically grades, you'll get credit for that, but I might not actually go in and grade the rest of the quiz on that one. But if you can still get these done, I would highly encourage you to do so, because they'll automatically grade until I have to turn in grades to the registrar. So just letting you know that, and I'm just explaining why I'm a little late with grading those 2 assignments, project number 2 and the Michelangelo or the David sculpture quiz, basically, that was done by Michelangelo. So anyway, I hope that you guys have a good summer, and don't give up on those quizzes, like I said. And it's been fun getting to know all of you, and great job on this course. It wasn't an easy course, really. I mean, nothing was necessarily hard. It was just time consuming, and so if you made it through and you were diligent and did all of the work, then yeah, great job. So have a good summer, and we'll talk to you later.